hands down, which is the side that there is a little bit too much tension between you and her on the ring. Come again. That was better, not so rough. And go for it, go for it. Yeah. You gotta tell her to do it. It's a hard thing, you know, I don't think that. Oh, that's it. Good. Always remember, the more you put into yours, the more you get out of it. And that doesn't mean getting too busy, but you know, putting on your AC there, never letting the whole appear. Oh, that's it. I think you want those nights like work, propel the two of them forward. Go. Good. So now it's what? Watch that you guys lean on you. Then correct it with the half hold. Good. Try, relax. Good. Try a little less swing yet.